Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. This appeal is directed against the final judgment and order dated 30/11/2017 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Patna in LPA number 96 of 2015, whereby the division bench of the High Court dismissed the appeal filed by the appellant bank, and while modifying the order of the single judge dated 26/9/2014 in CWJC number 72 of 2013, remanded the case to the disciplinary authority for fresh consideration. The respondent was in the employment of the appellant bank. The appellant bank, by order dated 16/4/2011, dismissed the respondent employee on three charges on the basis of the misconduct committed by him in performance of official duties after holding departmental inquiry as per the service rules. In the departmental inquiry, all the three charges stood proved against the respondent. The respondent felt aggrieved and filed departmental appeal before the appellate authority as prescribed under the service rules. The appellate authority, by order dated 13/1/2012, dismissed the said appeal. The respondent felt aggrieved and filed writ petition in the High Court of Patna and questioned the legality and correctness of his dismissal order and the appellate authority's order. The single judge, by order dated 18/10/2012, allowed the writ petition, set aside the appellate authority's order, and remanded the case to the appellate authority for fresh consideration. On remand, the appellate authority, by order dated 6/7/2013, dismissed the respondent's appeal and affirmed his dismissal order. The respondent felt aggrieved and filed writ petition. The single judge, by order dated 26/9/2014, held that charge number 2 is not proved, and without expressing any opinion on charge numbers 1 and 3, again remanded the matter to the appellate authority for rehearing on charge numbers 1 and 3. The single judge also proceeded to set aside the order of dismissal. The appellant bank felt aggrieved by the order of the single judge and filed letters patent appeal number 96 of 2015 before the division bench, whereas the respondent employee also felt aggrieved by the order of the single judge and filed letters patent appeal number 64 of 2015. The division bench disposed of both the appeals by common impugned order. The division bench, by impugned order, dismissed the appeal filed by the appellant bank, and while modifying the order of the single judge, held that the single judge, instead of remanding the case to the appellate authority, should have remanded it to the disciplinary authority for fresh decision. Accordingly, the division bench remanded the case to the disciplinary authority. It is against this decision of the division bench the bank has felt aggrieved and filed this appeal by way of special leave in this court. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the record of the case, we are inclined to set aside the impugned order as also the order of the single judge and remand the case to the single judge for deciding the writ petition on merits. Stop.